Many people are becoming more aware of healthy eating. We read labels, we try to eat more fruits and vegetables. But, some foods seem healthy but are not. These foods are often part of our daily routines. They hide in plain sight. These foods are often high in calories, sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. They can contribute to weight gain, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even cancer. It's important to identify these hidden culprits and make healthier choices. This essay will discuss some common foods that can contribute to health problems. We will explore why they are harmful and offer healthier alternatives. Knowledge is power. Understanding the impact of these foods can empower you to make better choices for your health. Sugary beverages are everywhere. Soda, fruit juice, sports drinks, and sweetened teas are loaded with sugar. They offer little nutritional value. These drinks contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of chronic diseases. The high sugar content in these beverages causes your blood sugar levels to spike. This leads to energy crashes and cravings for more sugary foods. Over time, excess sugar intake can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Instead of sugary beverages, choose water as your primary source of hydration. Water is essential for life and has 0 calories. You can add a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. Unsweetened tea and coffee are also good alternatives. Limit your intake of fruit juice, as it can be high in natural sugars. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, hot dogs, and deli meats are often loaded with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These meats have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. The high sodium content in processed meats can contribute to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. The preservatives used in these meats, such as nitrates and nitrites, can form harmful compounds in the body. Opt for lean protein sources like poultry, fish, beans, and lentils instead of processed meats. These alternatives are lower in saturated fat and sodium and provide essential nutrients. Choose fresh cuts of meat over processed varieties. Packaged baked goods like cookies, cakes, pastries, and donuts are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and calories. These treats offer little nutritional value and contribute to weight gain and other health problems. The refined grains used in many baked goods lack fiber and nutrients. The added sugars and fats further increase the calorie content and contribute to unhealthy blood sugar levels. Instead of indulging in packaged baked goods, opt for healthier alternatives. Fresh fruits, a handful of nuts, or plain yogurt with berries are satisfying and nutritious snacks. If you're craving something sweet, try baking at home using whole grain flours and natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Section 5. Fried foods, a trans fat festival. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are often cooked in unhealthy oils that are high in trans fats. Trans fats raise LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and lower HDL, the good cholesterol, thus increasing the risk of heart disease. The high-heat cooking process used in frying can also produce harmful compounds that may contribute to cancer. Additionally, fried foods are often high in calories and can lead to weight gain. Instead of fried foods, why not choose baked, grilled, or roasted alternatives? These cooking methods use less oil and produce fewer harmful compounds. You can also experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor to your meals. Section 6. Refined grains, missing nutrients, empty calories. Refined grains, such as white rice, white bread, and pasta made from white flour, have been stripped of their bran and germ, which contain most of the fiber and nutrients. These grains are often enriched with synthetic vitamins and minerals, but they lack the natural complexity of whole grains. Refined grains are quickly digested and can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, similar to sugary drinks. They offer little satiety and can contribute to overeating. Choose whole grains over refined grains whenever possible. Whole grains provide fiber, which helps regulate digestion and promote satiety. They also contain essential nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. Section 7. High-fat dairy, saturated fat overload. High-fat dairy products like whole milk, butter, cheese, and ice cream are high in saturated fat, which can raise LDL cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. While dairy products provide calcium, they can be a significant source of unhealthy fats. The saturated fat content in high-fat dairy products can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Choosing lower-fat options can help reduce your saturated fat intake. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy products whenever possible. These alternatives provide calcium and other essential nutrients without the excess saturated fat. You can also explore plant-based milk alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk. Section 8. Sugary cereals. Starting the day with a sugar rush. Many breakfast cereals are loaded with sugar, even those marketed as healthy options. These cereals often contain refined grains and lack fiber and protein, leaving you feeling hungry shortly after eating. Starting your day with a sugar rush can set you up for cravings and energy crashes throughout the day. Choosing a breakfast that is high in protein and fiber can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Choose whole grain cereals that are low in sugar and high in fiber and protein. Oatmeal, quinoa porridge, and whole grain toast with avocado are nutritious breakfast options that will provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Section 9. Fast food, the epitome of unhealthy eating. Fast food is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar. It is typically processed and offers little nutritional value. Frequent fast food consumption has been linked to weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. The convenience and affordability of fast food can make it tempting, but it's essential to limit your intake. The high calorie and low nutrient content can contribute to nutrient deficiencies and other health issues. Prepare meals at home using fresh, whole ingredients whenever possible. This allows you to control the ingredients and ensure you're getting a balanced and nutritious meal. If you're short on time, consider healthier fast casual options that offer salads, soups, and grilled dishes. Section 10. Choosing healthier options. Understanding the impact of everyday foods on your health is crucial for making informed choices. By being mindful of the hidden culprits lurking in our pantries and refrigerators, we can make gradual changes to our diets and improve our overall well-being. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods over processed and packaged options is a fundamental step toward a healthier lifestyle. Embrace fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats as the foundation of your diet. Remember, every small step you take toward a healthier diet contributes to a healthier you. By making conscious choices about the foods you consume, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases, manage your weight, and improve your overall quality of life.